Welcome to my channel. Our lessons for today is all about angles. An angle, if two rays have the same point. There are different types of angle. The first one is what we call the acute angle. It measures less than 90 degrees. Right angle, it measures exactly 90 degrees. Obtuse angle, it measures greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Straight angle, it measures exactly 180 degrees. And reflex angle, it measures more than 180 degrees but not less than 360 degrees. We also have supplementary angles, are those angles that measures up to 180 degrees. So these are the examples. 120 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Another one, we have complementary angles, are those angles that measures up to 190 degrees. These are the examples. 30 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. Thank you, everyone. Please subscribe, like, and share my videos. Don't forget to tap the notification bell. Thank you for watching. God bless.